Thank you guys for the support. I'm gonna go back inside for a little bit because I'm going to finish drinking my coffee. I let him be out here, but there's still look at. I will show my bulldog. She's eating grass. She likes to eat grass for some reason. I don't know why. Why you like to eat grass too, Ali? Why you're eating grass? Why you're eating grass, Ali? Ali, why you're eating grass? You just eat breakfast. What? You're eating salad? Hey, are you eating salad? Are you eating salad? Is that your salad? Yeah, they said that the grass is good for their tummy. Is that right? Is that right? Huh? Everything you do? Everything you do? Huh? Thank you so much, guys, for the support, for the love, and the thumb, and the love. Thank you so much. Amazing. Look at you. You're so amazing. Even you are working, you're still going your YouTube. Thank you. In my work, we cannot do cell phone, guys. We have to live in the locker. We used to, but some people are so abusive. They don't know how to control. So, fine for me. I can use my cell phone during break time, you know. Oh my God, it's chill out here, guys. 44 degrees in this morning, you know. Very, very chills now. I mean, this is not just for now. It's going towards to winter and it's gonna be too cold for winter. But the people here in Minnesota kind of get used to. We like to go to Florida too, but anywhere we have some tragedy. So like it happens, I think yesterday it come up on my news and my phone that there's a earthquake in California. In here in Minnesota we have some tornadoes, so anywhere it can happen. So in Florida it's beautiful, but I think it's expensive. The insurance is a house insurance is very expensive because of the storms like. Oh, look. Sorry, I was rotating my, but look at, I show you my dog. I show my dog. They are so amazing. They're so fun to watch. I hope you enjoy my live today. I hope you enjoy my dog. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see how long can we stay here in our backyard. They like to be out here, but the reason is I don't know if they're gonna come out here during my work days because we go to work and just them. See, this is the nice if you have the dog. They're so fun and kind. The dog are kind. See, we love, I think most of us love dog, huh? Oh, we love dog. Do you love the dog? You guys love dog? Please answer me. Can you answer me if you like the dog? Yeah, thank you so much. We have 8 million early, guy. We're down to 3 million right now. Do you like dog? Huh? Yeah. Thank you so much for everything, for everything and everything. Let's go back to my flowers, guys. That some petunia here is still good. See, I can't believe it. But yeah, I in front I already clean up. I already clean up my flowers in front. This is just the leftover of petunia. This is still good. Daniel Reed, how are you? Daniel Reed. Daniel Reed, good for Trump. Go ahead, Daniel. Good luck. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming, guys. How beautiful you are. People here are supporting me. God bless us all, guys. Thank you so much. Very, very, very amazing people here supporting my channel. Thank you. I appreciate it. And look at my dog. They are all my beautiful dog. Look at Ali. Ali, are you okay? Good morning, Ali. Good morning, old lady girl. But you're still cute. Oops. And that's Toby, my golden doodle. Thank you so much, everyone here.